back with me, yeah. Oh, back with me, yeah. Girl, you got me thinking every night and day. Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you below me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the cold. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from. I like the dark of my blinkies thoughts. I watch fashion that's a day in the mirror that I saw. Shipping at the ball, the coupon. Flex to the girl. I go set to the front. No return. And when I enter the club, my day my front. Cause me I get it gone. But they do me wrong. Oh, I'm a fashion killer.
Oh, that'd be a best speaker. For you too. So what did you say? What since they saw you? Yeah, this unless you choose from you. I'm trying. Should I just take it like and take it like that? What to get something else? So you can try mine and try online. Okay. Let me go there.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you below me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Welcome. Thank you.
Baby, everybody no one loves you like Nadia X. No one wants you the same way. Stop till the morning, but want to do for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want
Mix showcasing your DJ skill on www.valentines.com and then post a video of you performing the mix on Instagram. Tag Radio 915 and Valentine's page on Instagram. Groomed in all areas of your career and voted for by your fans to be a part of the final five that will battle it out at the event for the ultimate fantasy.
Hey, hi guys. So I just went to have a breakfast date sort of with Sarah and her friend, and then we picked up her birthday cake. We were supposed to go rest and then go have dinner again in the evening. Today I'm on my way to my house to rest a bit. I'll link who made this in the description box or on the screen. I had it custom made and it's perfect. I'm in love with it. I just literally saw a picture, sent it to her, sent my picture, and she made it exactly. Ghana is playing on Thursday. Let's hope they do best for us, okay? Because it would really be an icing on the cake for how this year has been going if Ghana ends up winning this cup. that's a little bit far-fetched. We believe in them, so I think there's a bus driver beside us. He's really staring at me. He can't figure out why I'm talking to my camera. Perks of vlogging in Ghana. So I hope Ghana does well for us. Rest a bit, starts my makeup, and then we go again in the evening. Someone said in my previous vlog, the comment section, that I like chilling. I actually don't. I mean, I like chilling, yes, but then it's not like I go out a lot, because when I get to go out, those are the times I vlog for you. So that's how it looks, because I want interesting vlog for you guys, but it doesn't mean I go out a lot. I was supposed to be taking a nap, so that I'll get ready for this evening. I hadn't posted the birthday girl and it's 2 other friends' birthdays too, so I just took that time to find memories with them to post it. I don't know when people do that for me on my birthday, like post memories we've shared together, particularly close friends. It makes me feel very special, so I like to do it for my friends too. And I had already written a message for Sewa at dawn, but I needed to edit it because it was quite long. It's currently 5. I'm supposed to be there by 6. I want to eat first, because the last time I went to the particular location we're going to, I did not enjoy their food. When you see the location, just please, I didn't enjoy their food. And 2 people sent me a DM on Snapchat when I posted I was there to tell me their food is bad. And I was like, well, it's too late now. I'm already here. I'm going to cook, eat. I don't know what I'm wearing, so I'll probably pick what I'm wearing with you guys. So I'll see you guys when I'm done showering or something. Say hi to my YouTube. Hello. Say hi to my YouTube. Oh, this is before the hi. Oh, but actually it looks very cute, yeah, and very natural.
I think you don't look at him.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me, I come. But then you